Look! Did you see it? This car won't start no matter what. When many people encounter this situation, their first reaction is to call a tow truck and send it to a repair shop. Don't be stupid. The repair shop is not a charity. Without $3,000, it can't be repaired. Moreover, why can Russian families maintain their own cars by themselves? But we have to spend thousands of dollars a year on maintenance? Many people say that Russians have strong hands-on skills, but I don't agree with this view. Today, I will teach you how to solve this problem. If you encounter the same fault in the future, you can fix it yourself. There are usually two reasons for this failure. Either the battery is dead or the starting system is faulty. Let's try now to see if the battery is dead. Come on. Look at the headlights in front. They are so bright. That means it's definitely not a battery problem. So there is something wrong with the startup system. An automatic transmission car can only be started when it is shifted into P and N gears. The gear is now in P gear, unable to start. Try N gear again.